Hi everyone, welcome to EDTL 503. I am Dr. Vavasour and I am going to be your professor. If you haven't taken a class with me yet, welcome. If you have, welcome back. First and most importantly, there are my three gorgeous children. You will be seeing a lot of them, even with an online class. And this video is just going to walk you through the Moodle course, a little bit about the syllabus, and the textbook. So what I'm doing right now is called a screencast, and if this is your first course with me, this is how I get most of my information out to you. It lets you see my computer screen and hear my voice. Most modules will start with one of these. So this is our Moodle course. If you have never used Moodle before, you do need to look at it and make sure that you know what is going on. We will have a mandatory online meeting next Thursday, January 22nd at 4:45 p.m. We will have a grade for this meeting simply if you attend and ask a little question or two. To join this meeting, you will go to this web address and you will see my face and my computer screen, and we will talk about this course and 506 if you are also in that course. I did decide to use a textbook for this course. Here's the ebook version of it. It's only $13. I try to be mindful of y'all's book money. If you don't have a Kindle, no worry. You can download the free Kindle app on an iPad or any other tablet device, or even to a PC or Mac, and get this book, and then you won't have to worry about it coming in and such. I don't assign chapters to read in this course. I just basically expect you to read this book and incorporate the knowledge that you receive from it in each of your assignments. So I will be looking for quotes out of there, ideas that come from there, citing the textbook so that I know you are keeping along with it. You will see that the chapters in here are very easy to read, very practical, and you can relate it to each of our modules. So if this is your first course with me, I'll first have to apologize. This is not one of the more fun courses. This is a very technical course. So what we do in here is we look at what type of technology you have in your school or classroom based on these 6 areas: networking, distance learning, telecommunications, connectivity, hardware, and software. And your final project in this class, as with all of my EDTL classes, is something very practical. We are going to be building a document to give your principal or your employer about the status of technology at your school. And each one of these things right here that you will see in your final project is built in each of these modules. So don't worry about final project if that overwhelms you, because we take it in pieces. So the first thing we talk about is ISTE and NETS and vision statements. ISTE is the International Society for Technology and Education. That is basically the governing body of EdTech internationally, and they have put out NETS, which are National Educational Technology Standards. They have a set for students, they have a set for teachers, and they have a set for administrators. So if you have not looked at those yet, we will look at those in our opening module. Okay, and let's look at the syllabus for just a second. Definitely not going to read it to you. This is me. This is my office. I do live in Baton Rouge, so I'm only on campus on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays, but I can definitely Skype or FaceTime with you if you need. For this course, you need access to a webcam. If you are going to take other EDTL courses with me, you need your own webcam. But if it's just this course, as long as you have access to it, you'll be fine. And you can read through all of this. I'm going to go down to a basic breakdown of topics that we're going to be covering in this class. And one thing that I wanted to point out is in this class and in 506, if you're in that with me, you do have to do a needs assessment survey for your place of employment. So if you are at a school, that would be all of the teachers and administrators filling it out. So We are going to be running these two courses concurrently. I highly recommend that you look ahead to what um, needs to be done on those needs assessments and put them into one needs assessment covering both topics so that you don't have to bug your coworkers more than once. And that will come in Module 3 of this course. You can see right now, if you're a Moodle user, I have these eyes shut, meaning on your Moodle you cannot see all of the topics, and that's because I am revising this course as I do every semester to keep it updated with the newest technology. So let me look at my little cheat sheet, make sure I covered everything. If you are not in the EDTL cohort and you are a visiting student, welcome. We do teach all of our EDTL courses completely online, and I teach all but one of them. And I think that's just about it. So welcome to all of you, and I look forward to working with you and getting to know you. And I will see you live next Thursday, January 22nd at 4:45. Send me an email if you need anything else. Have a great day.